Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some mozzarella cheese stuffed hot sausage wrapped in bacon. Oh hell yeah, on the kettle grill. Grab some cheese sticks. Let's get to stuffing. So you'll want to get your grill up to 350-ish, and we're gonna slice into these sausage links and fill them up with some mozzarella cheese sticks. Take some mozzarella cheese string sticks or any kind of cheese that you like. You're gonna stuff it in there. Roll it back up, wrap it in bacon, and then we're going to hit it with some rub. Get yourself some regular cut bacon, none of that thick stuff. Pull it out of the fridge at least an hour before, and this will wrap up nice. 2 slices of bacon. If you can stretch it with one, go ahead. And don't be the guy that brings that cheddar brats to the party, that weird fake cheese inside injected. Don't bring that. That's gotta go. Fill it up with real cheese if you're doing cheddar brats. So today we're gonna hit it up with this garlic jalapeno, the best rub from Cosmos. Gonna hit it up on all sides. Then for some color and some great flavor, we're going in with some Dirty Bird. Now get your grill up to at least 350. We're going to put this indirect and cook it for about 30 minutes, and we're going to flip it, check the internal temp to see how much longer. You'll want crispy bacon. You want that cheese to be melted on the inside before you pull this. And I think it's going to be about a 45-minute cook. Let's throw this in and get it started. And for extra color and some smoke, we're throwing a chunk of cherry wood. So we're using the slow and sear kettle today with the basket on the inside, and we've got that lid up. We're fired up. It's 386 right now. So I open up the lid and put this in. It'll come back down. Dial in the dampers, and then you'll be right around that 350 mark. This cheese stuffed sausage is just about done. We've flipped it at about 25 minutes. And then about another 20 minutes later, flipped it back over. We want even color across the sausage. It is looking and smelling fantastic. Let's temp the sausage. Sausage is over 175. These are perfect. They look amazing. The bacon looks crispy. Let's pull these guys, let them rest, put them into a brioche bun, cut into one, and we're gonna devour one. Oh well, yeah. Oh, these things are huge. Oh well, yeah. These mozzarella stuffed sausages are done. Wrapped in bacon, temp in 180s, stuffed into a brioche bun. Let's slice into one and devour it. Oh, this guy right here. All of them. Oh. Damn. That's money. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That's rocking. That looks killer. This is the way you should be eating sausage. Wrap it in bacon, stuff it in mozzarella cheese. Oh, hell yeah. Check that out. It is phenomenal. We hit it with that garlic jalapeno and Dirty Bird from Cosmos. All around, smoked it with some cherry wood chunks on some briquettes at 350 for about close to an hour. And we are rocking. Cheers. Man, that is awesome. You want to spice up your Italian sausage game, that's the way to go. Fill it up with cheese, wrap it in bacon, smoke it with a little bit of wood, and top this any way you want. I didn't seem to have any room, but some onions, sauteed onions, would have been awesome as well. But oof, that is freaking, that's a new favorite. One of my new favorite deals. Gotta do this one. Oh, hell yeah. And smash up the thumbs up. This one rocks. Oh, that hot sausage is so good. That shit is good. No gimmicks here. That rocks. That kills. That is so good. Don't let the sausages touch.